Hello guys, my name is Michael Nakofe. Welcome to another episode of Tech to the World tutorials. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to connect or access a remote desktop computer. So without much ado, I have two computers which are connected to the same network. I am using an Ethernet corded connection. I've connected the two PCs together and I'm going to show you how to use remote desktop to access both of the computers simultaneously. So it's very important. Maybe you are in an office where you don't want to stand up from one PC to the other. You want to access one PC from another with the same machine. You can use a remote desktop connection to access the files easily without moving on from one PC to the other. So without much ado, I'll just start with the process. So this is the remote desktop PC that I'm going to configure for it to be accessed by a remote desktop client. So without much ado, I'll go to the search button and search for remote desktop settings. Perhaps I can do the settings in the settings option, but I just want it to be easy, fast, and convenient. So I'll click on the search button, then type in remote desktop settings. So you see, this is what I want. So I'll double click on it for it to open. In a short while, you see it has been opened, and this remote desktop lets you connect to another computer and control this particular PC from a remote desktop client. So all you have to do is to toggle this radio button on for it to be able to access your machine from another machine. So it will give you a notification. You and users selected under this account will be able to connect to this PC remotely. So I'll just confirm that. And here you have to take notice of this very thing. It's very important. This is the name of the PC. There's the name of the PC, and to be able to access this machine via remote desktop client, I need to note down this particular name and the PC name as well. So to get to know of your PC name, I'll urge you to use the command prompt, or if you know it, you have to skip this process. But if you don't know the name of your PC, you press Windows key plus R, it will bring you the run dialog box. Then you type in the keyword CMD. So after typing in the CMD, it will bring you to this particular panel. There's the terminal for command prompt. Then you type in the keyword netuser to show you all the user accounts on your PC. And here, the user account that I'm using currently is called Nana Ochre. So I told you have to take note of two very important things. The first one is the name of the computer, which is desktop 1RNED and the name of the PC, which is also Nana Ochre. So I'm moving on to the next machine, which is the client machine that I'm going to access the other machine from it. So without much ado, I'll click on the search button and type in remote desktop connection, and this is what I am looking for: remote desktop connection. So this is what I'm looking for. So I'll just double click on it to run. And here I told you to note down the name of the computer and the name of the user as well. So here, let me just type it in, and this is the name of the computer, desktop-1RNED2B, and the username. So the username too, I'm gonna type it shortly, and I've typed it. Then after filling in those details, I'll just click on connect to connect the computer via a remote desktop connection. So here it will ask me of the password of the host machine. So I'll just quickly type in the password, then I'll click on OK for it to access. And here it is asking me of the digital signature. So I'll just click on confirm, and you see it's loading, and there you go. This is my remote desktop being successfully activated, and I can access this machine. You see, this was what we did on the other machine. We type in the command prompt to get the name of the user, and you see it's just like I'm having access to the machine physically. And that's the essence of remote desktop connection. It's helps you to access another machine from a particular machine. You can easily work from this machine as if you are working on that machine. You can watch movies, delete files, do a lot of stuff with it as if you are on that particular machine. So it is important, and I can also minimize this one if I don't want to have access to it, and I'll still have access to my machine as well. And if I want to fall back, I'll just click on the remote desktop icon here, and there I am. I'm having access to multiple machines at the same time. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay blessed. Subscribe for more Tech to the World tutorials, and you ain't gonna miss it. Peace out.